thing about this series that's different from everything else you watch is that we're not just about the cars. We're about the entire lifestyle, the journey, the likes, the dislikes, and where you are today, where you want to be tomorrow, and where you see not only yourself, the industry, and the culture that's around motorsports existing. Good afternoon, Sean.
How you doing, John?
So when you think about cars in your life, and obviously it's a very important part of your life being that you film and you interact constantly with the car world, do you find that there's a love for all things automotive, or are you kind of drawn to a certain segment of the car world?
I think automotive, in and of its sense, is beautiful. The fact that you're able to build something and then drive it at crazy speeds. I like the fact that there's different niches in the car world. If you want something for off-roading, there's something for off-roading. If you want something to go around a track, there's something to go around a track. If you want something to just cruise down the block with your wife, go be it. Throw the top down, enjoy a Sunday cruise. There's something for everyone, and I love the diversity and the community and everyone. I just love the people involved with it.